Picture waking up to the smell of sizzling bacon, pancakes flipping themselves, and stir-fry veggies dancing to perfection, all from one countertop appliance. Today, we're unveiling 5 electric skillets that do it all: sear, simmer, steam, grill, and even bake without breaking a sweat or heating up your whole kitchen. Stick around to discover which model fits your cooking style, budget, and family size, because your next favorite kitchen sidekick is waiting. Number 1 is the Elite Gourmet EG 6203. When family dinners demand serious real estate, this skillet delivers with a spacious 10.5-quart pan measuring 16-inch long by 13-inch wide by 3.2-inch deep. Its thick cast aluminum body sports a marbleized honeycomb non-stick surface that resists scratches, cracks, and peeling food slides right off. Cleanup is a breeze, and no oil pooling here. The fully embedded M-shaped heating element provides rapid plus even heat from 200 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, banishing hot spots and scorched edges. A trigger release control probe snaps in for precise temperature dialing, while the tempered glass lid locks in moisture and flavor as you monitor that perfect sear. Integrated cool touch handles and a built-in pour spout make draining extra juices effortless. Remove the thermostat and immerse the pan for dishwasher-safe cleanup, ideal for feeding 6 to 8 hungry mouths without breaking a sweat. Number 2 is the Bella Electric Skillet and Frying Pan. This sleek 12-inch by 12-inch skillet transforms meal prep into a joyride. Under its tempered glass lid, a durable cast aluminum base heats 30% faster than ordinary pans thanks to premium titanium reinforcement. The removable temperature probe and easy turn dial let you dial in ideal heat for omelets, pan-roasted veggies, or slow-simmered sauces up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, eliminating guesswork and burnt dinners. Its scratch-resistant ceramic non-stick coating is entirely PTFA and PFO-free, so you can cook with minimal oil and 0 chemicals. Cool touch handles keep fingers safe when transferring from stove to table, and the fully immersible design means you simply detach the probe, rinse it, and you're done. Stylish in glossy black, it's perfect for compact kitchens, dorm rooms, or anyone who loves fuss-free cleanup and precise control. Number 3 is the Dash family size electric skillet. Big families, meet your new BFF. Dash's 14-inch electric skillet boasts a roomy 20-cup capacity and 2.5-inch depth, perfect for pancakes by the dozen, one-dish burgers, or buffet-style fajitas. Its rapid heat element reaches 450 degrees Fahrenheit faster than your oven can preheat, so weeknight dinners are ready in record time. Trugly-Day's PFO-free non-stick surface ensures even cooking an effortless release, while the tempered glass lid with a steam vent locks in flavor and keeps splatters at bay. Cool touch handles and non-slip feet guarantee safety when moving from countertop to table. When the party's over, pull out the probe and cord, then rinse or run through the dishwasher, no scrubbing required. A bonus recipe book and online database spark inspiration for everything from stir-fries to desserts. Backed by U.S. based support and a 1-year warranty, it's the ultimate entertainer's tool. Number 4 is the Presto 6852. For serious cooks and hosts, Presto's 16-inch skillet expands your culinary horizon with 185 square-inch capacity and high sidewalls that double as a buffet server. Its Control Master heat control automatically maintains temperatures from warm to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, so you can tuck it out of sight and focus on guests. The PFAS-free ceramic non-stick coating inside and out ensures stick-free cooking and quick cleanup, while the virtually warp-proof heavy cast aluminum base runs more efficiently than a stovetop burner. Fully immersible when you remove the heat control, it's dishwasher-safe and hassle-free. The tempered glass cover with Stay Cool handle lets you check progress without losing heat or moisture. With stable performance, energy savings, and 1-year limited warranty, this skillet will serve up brunch, dinner, and dessert for years to come. Number 5 is the Krux electric skillet. It elevates electric cooking with a 6-quart, 12-inch by 12-inch deep pan, 50% more capacity than standard models. Its non-stick copper ceramic coating is 10 times more durable and metal utensil safe, so you can whip up crispy chicken, hearty stews, or delicate crepes without a scrape. The removable temperature probe lets you dial in heat up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, while the 1200-watt system preheats in seconds. Elegant silver and copper accents complement any countertop, and cool touch handles keep you safe when serving. The tempered glass lid seals in steam and flavor, and the fully immersible design means cleanup is a cinch. Just detach the probe and slide under the faucet or in the dishwasher. PTFA and PFO, a free certification, ensures healthy cooking and eco-friendly living. If you're ready to level up your kitchen, hit subscribe, tap like, and ring the notification bell so you never miss a gadget deep dive. Check the description for direct links to each skillet and grab your perfect match today.